because I need your help with planning the itinerary for my brother.
Guys, we're going to the park and we're racing my dad and my aunt.
Yeah, we're racing. Kami, naglakad. Oh, mag-race daw kami. Si Luna kasi gusto maglakad eh. Ayun yung kotse naman namin. Oh. Race to the park. The park is just about 2 blocks away from our house. Ang saya. Ang ganda na ng weather lately, no? Oh, hi. Oh, syempre, hindi kami pwede matalo. No, you go ahead so we will win. Perfect park weather. Luna, no crossing yet. No crossing. Wait for me. Luna, not there, not there. Oh my gosh. Luna, you wait for me. You wait for me. Takot lang ni JJ manalo. Iyak to. Luna, take your bike. Oh, who won? I missed this part, Luna. It's been a while. Yes, look, dito na kami sa park. Okay. This park is just maybe a 5-minute walk from our house. And it's so perfect dahil meron din siyang track. Oval, no? Takbuhan. Sarap. O, nakita nyo. And then, kapag summer, after classes, some students come here to play football, soccer, kung ano-ano, bike. So, si Luna habang nandito sa playground, buti na lang may bantay yung sister-in-law ko. Magtatakbo lang, maglalakad kami ni JJ. O ano, maglakad na tayo. Ito yung ano, no, baby brother ni JJ. Baby brother.
Kami ni Ina. Pero medyo ano sa akin, marathon like running.
Halika na, ang dami mong sinasabi. Let's go. Oh, ayaw kami paalisin. Yes. Me and Papa are just gonna walk around. Okay, umpisa na kami. O, tignan nyo, no? We're so lucky to live near this park. The Ford Test Track. Oh, tignan nyo yung mga kasama ko. Yun sila. Buong family. Okay. By the way, guys, if you didn't notice, no? Medyo mas slow yung uploads ko the past few days. It's because we've been a little busy. Andito yung sister-in-law ko. So, wala, ikot-ikot. Tapos, uuwi kasi silang tatlong magkakapatid in the coming weeks. So, namimili rin ako ng mga pwedeng ipauwi, pang pasalubong sa mga kapag-anak ko. But before they leave, darating naman yung kuya ko next week with his family. So, nagpe-prepare din ako for that. That's why I've been a little busy, less vlogging. At gusto ko gumawa ng episode na ito because I need your help with planning the itinerary for my brother. Right now, actually, nasa Vancouver na sila. Pero, imi-meet namin sila first sa Montreal. Doon na kami mag-uumpisa ng Ontario leg nung visit nila. And honestly, wala pa kaming itinerary tungkol dun sa specific spots kung saan ko sila dadalhin. But the plan is, Quebec muna kami for about 3.5 days. After nun, Montreal for 3 days. Pero yung sa Montreal, parang 1 full day lang eh. Pagkatapos nun, magto-Toronto kami for about, I think, 5-6 days. And then Windsor. It's in the car! Oh, then you just stay in the playground with Ninang. And get your water, okay? Is that okay? We haven't even been walking for about 5 minutes, Luna.
But I need to. I need water.
I know, we left it in the car. Sige, you go back with Ninang and you can go to the playground, okay?
No, but Nina's going that way.
No, she's getting the car keys. Love you, baby. Hey! Ano mo tong batang to? Okay, what was I saying? Tapos magto-Toronto kami siguro ng mga another 4-5 days. And then mag-Windsor ng mga 3-4-5 days. Hindi ko rin talaga alam. Before namin sila ihatid sa Toronto. So, ayun. Please help us with an itinerary specifically for the Quebec to Montreal na leg. Yan. Tsaka yung mga kakainan. Okay? O Jay, ano, okay ka pa ba? Kala mo, tagal na natin.
Ikot ko nang walang beses.
Nasabi ko na
Na?
nagpapatulong tungkol sa itinerary. Diba? Ang tagal naming mawawala. So, during those 2 weeks or so, expect a little bit more of mga travel vlogs instead of immigration muna. I'm sure some of you also want that break from our immigration related topics. So, yun. Okay? Basta nasa Quebec kami ng
Quebec and Montreal.
May 6 to 9. Yan. Okay?
Gusto ko malaman kung saan kakain. Yun lang naman.
Oo. Alam nyo, may iniipong kaming episodes. Mga clip pala, no? Sinisave ko for the very first episode of JJ's weight loss journey. O, diba? O, sinabi ko na.
Hindi naman nasabihin.
Oo, kasi nag-agree yung doctor niya na makakatulong sa kanya, obviously, yung weight loss dahil meron siyang sleep apnea. Plus, he has severe sleep apnea and high blood pressure. Yan. Pero actually, nag-umpisa ka nung gamot sa high blood, babe, di ba bumaba na? No. Ako din, magkakaroon ng weight loss journey.
In 20 years.
So, mawawala si JJ. Uwi siya ng Pilipinas. Halos sabay sila ng kuya ko babalik ng Pinas. He'll be gone for about 9 days. Malay mo, pagbalik mo, payat na ako.
Kumain ng 2 linggo eh. Hindi ko mapapayat to.
Done walking! Sandali lang naman. Sa bahay na kami. Pero sakto, isasama ko na rin sa video na to yung hiking namin nung isang araw. Actually, parang last week, we went on a short hike. Sama ko na rin dito, guys. I hope you don't mind. Okay? Ha? A trail walk lang pala, hindi hike. O, ayun, sabi ni JJ. Okay, sama ko na rin dito. Here it is. Your scooter's over here. Let's go, come. Where are we going?
To walk somewhere.
To walk somewhere.
Doon na sa loob muna.
Guys, to the road in a hike.
Anunahan pa ako magsalita.
Guys, to the road in a hike.
We're gonna hike.
We're gonna hike.
Yeah.
We're gonna hike. Right, Luna?
Is it high, Luna?
No hike.
No, bike.
Hike.
We're gonna bike.
No hike.
First time namin walking sa Windsor, diba? We've been here more than a year. Ngayon lang talaga namin naisipan. Ano, ayan. O, dito kami, Black Oak Heritage Park. Hey, Luna.
What?
You okay?
Yeah?
Okay ka ba, babe?
May tama ako, te. Parang...
We're gonna walk maybe for an hour. Can you do that, Luna? Yeah. Okay. Somebody, tingnan mo, we've not even been walking for 2 minutes and you fell on your scooter. So, ayun na sila, babalik na lang si scooter. I told you it's gonna be hard. Ibabalik na lang namin kasi nga, hindi talaga okay. Ang lambot eh. Kasi kakaulan lang guys, malambot yung lupa. Madudulas lang si Luna. But, the trail looks promising. Sabi, easy trail lang naman to. So, okay lang kahit nandito si Luna. Ito talaga mga parks, mga nature trails, no? One of my favorite things here in Canada, di ba? They're so accessible. Most of them are free.
Go straight, baby.
Oh, where? Sige, lead the way,
But
baby.
This bear might be there.
That's a long road to our car.
It's a long way. It is.
Ah! Mama? Mama? Does
Yeah?
fairies live in tree holes?
Fairies in tree holes. Where did you learn that?
I don't know, but can you tell me where they live?
Some of them do. Some of them do.
Ah!
Daldal nitong isang kasama namin. Daming tanong, ano?
Oh, I can do an X marks the spot.
X marks the spot. Look at this. So may sinunog na sila dito na area. This one. Okay. It's because it was prescribed to maintain the open conditions of prairie, savannas, and woodland ecosystems. Luna!
Marks the spot.
Okay. In case we get lost, Luna,
What?
those X's that you're drawing, they're gonna be very useful. Okay, so we'll just find them.
Baka ma-Blair Witch Project tayo dito.
That's what I'm doing. I'm making a
Tol,
trail.
nung high school kami.
Oh, okay. Where did you learn that?
College ba yun?
I just think about
Beb.
it.
Alam mo talaga. Tapos handle yung camera, di ba?
Papa, I made
Wala kaming kasabay. Hindi kami pwede magpagabi dito. It will take us forever. Kasi yung isang bulinggit dyan, every 5 steps yata nag-X marks the spot. Closed for regeneration. Okay. Tignan mo, ang galing, di ba? Ha?
I want to pick the way.
No, this is not allowed. It says there. It's closed, okay? I'm gonna go back a few steps kasi may hinahanap kaming stream. Nalampasan na pala namin. Ito siya, oh. Wala. Tuyot. Hindi nyo napapansin pero pababa yan. Kasi nga naman.
Psst, baby. Smile.
Hot in my jacket, Mama.
What?
Just open it, don't close.
No, but I'm hot.
Okay. Meron na namang mga ano dito. Magde-decide kung sa kami dadaan. Okay, so...
Are we going here or here?
Please, here. Please.
Sige. Oh, look at that. Careful. Oy, careful. Use your stick. Ako madudulas dito, babe. Oh my gosh, wait.
Galing nyo. Tinakbo nyo para di madapat. Gagala yan!
Oh my gosh. Baka ako madulas. Babe!
Kaya mo yan.
Dala ko pa yung camera ko.
40 ka, di ba?
Tawan.
And there's more.
Luna, okay.
Tol, yung mga
Just
ibang
don't...
I picked the way.
Oh.
Yung mga ibang bike.
Luna,
yung mga
don't
rampa-
rush.
That's
Don't
steep.
rush,
Wait,
ha?
wait.
It's a little steep. You can also climb down. Sit down on your bum. Yeah.
But
Go.
Sideways,
Yeah.
sideways. Sideways, sideways.
Okay, she'll figure it out. Yan. Good job. Whoop.
Good job, baby. Hey.
Oh, my turn. Go down, Luna. Okay. Okay naman. Para makunan ko kayong nahulog. Dali. Pressure.
My turn. Mataas to.
So, dali. Gaga will slip. Look.
Look at this. Sideways.
What is it?
I wanna pick the way.
Okay, go.
Where's the water?
I think it's in front of us in a few minutes. Okay? It's gonna be up ahead. So, ayan niya, oh. You're so brave, Luna. Oh,
Careful, careful. There
you
might be
peep.
squirrel.
What's inside?
Might be squirrel.
This plant.
Just plants. There might be a fairy in there. Oh.
Is it moving? There's a bottle inside. Let me drink from the bottle, okay?
It's okay. If you fall, it's okay, baby. Ha, it's part of it.
For a second, si Mama can take a picture.
Here, here,
Just
here.
kidding, just kidding.
Hold my hand.
Ay, hold it. Get Mama's hand. On the other side.
Oh.
I'm the queen of the world.
I'm the king of the world.
Okay. Jackie, saluhin mo dito. Yan.
I'm good.
You're good?
I don't need how that.
Are you sure?
Ooh.
Show me. Jump.
Jump pa. Yeah! Good job!
Bike. Kasi, ba't
Guys,
walang
tignan
kapares?
nyo. May tracks, oh.
Pero, ba't walang kapares?
Paanang hayop. I'm not sure which one. Oh, check this
Ay,
out.
gago. Nalaglag, sorry.
Merong instructions na pwede kayo maglagay ng camera here. Jackie, lagay mo. Sige, go. And then, no, not there, Luna. We're gonna take a picture there. O, yan, oh. Bigo kami. Makahanap yung merong parang viewing point para makita yung bagong bridge connecting Windsor to Detroit, eh. Yung Gordie Howe Bridge. Hindi namin makita. Sa totoo lang, oo, no. Hindi namin natuntun. I guess we took the different trail. Okay lang. So, ngayon pabalik na kami ng parking. Okay?
Don't worry. I got your foot.
My feet! My feet!
Let's walk.
My feet!
Near the parking na. Yun na yung parking.
No,
How did you find our hike?
good, but I wanted to see the river.
I know. We'll find it next time.
Let's
See? It's a shoe cleaner. Wipe your feet. Oh, you know, use the brush at the station to clean your footwear and prevent the spread of invasive species.
No, you have to. Good, more.
I can't do it.
Other shoe.
Other foot.